First, mash the boiled potatoes until they are completely smooth. Now add the corn flour, breadcrumbs and spices. Throw in the herbs and fresh. Mix everything well into a soft, pliable dough.
Take a small portion of the potato mixture and flatten it in your palm. Place a cube of mozzarella in the center, seal and roll into a smooth ball. To begin, gradually add cold water to the corn flour. Whisk it thoroughly until you have a smooth and uniform consistency. Now, pick up a potato ball, drop it into the slurry and coat it well. Transfer it to the bowl of breadcrumbs. Roll it until it is fully covered. Refrigerate the coated balls for 15 to 20 minutes. This helps them hold their shape while frying. Heat oil over medium heat and fry the cheese balls. Fry them in small batches until they are golden brown and crispy. Serve hot with ketchup, spicy mayo, or mint chutney. Enjoy the crispy outside and gooey melted cheese inside.